video I will tell you that how to archive all posts on Facebook. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your Facebook application and then go into your Facebook profile and then tap on three dots next to this edit profile option and tap on activity log here and then tap on public posts here. Okay, and it will basically show you all the public posts that are on your profile. Okay, so how you can basically like select them all and basically archive them all. So here you can see that we have this all option, so just tap on this one and now all our posts have been selected. Okay, and here at the bottom left here you can see we have this archive option. So when you tap on this one, all of these posts will be go into this archive option. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.